How to change background color in the Filmora app. So let's get started. First of all, open the Filmora app just like this. After opening the app, you will see something like this on your home screen. Now to change the background color, you need to create a background first. First that, tap onto the video itself right here. Then simply zoom in the video just like this. And now you can see I have created a background. Now to change the color, tap onto this arrow right here. Then scroll to your right and here you can find the background option. Now tap on it. Now to change the background color, simply choose one color just like this. And now you can see the background color has been changed. Now add the color that you like the most. And that's it. This is how you can change the background color in the Filmora app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.